What's up, viewers? Today is 25/05/2021. Market was totally flat today. Sensex ended up in just 10 to 14 points, and Nifty also 10.75 points on the bullish side. Overall, the market was flat. Let us try to understand what is happening today. Corona cases have also come down, and Chinese market is trading at 4 months high. So these are some of the reasons. So Nifty, it opened gap up today. There is almost 70 to 75 points gap up, and from there continuously the market was covering up the gap. So we got a sell call initiated at 15,200, and the market gradually fell, and there was also an exit at 15,188. The main reason why we exited, because continuously the market was coming down, and then there was also a reversal pattern which got triggered here. It was a bullish engulfing. Bank Nifty, overall the market was flat, and the market, it had a gap up today, and market was coming down. And if you see, a unique pattern has been formed in the Renko graphs. There was a bullish moment. Two bricks came down. One brick went up, two bricks came down. So gradually, it gave us a lot of call. If you are a scalper, you would have made a very good amount of money in today's Bank Nifty trades. On every bullish brick, if you had taken a sell call, you would have made a lot of money. Close to nearly 30 to 40,000 rupees. Correct? And then all these buy calls were not taken because it is not in the mean reversion band, and this buy call would be initiated. That is at 34,550, and market actually went up. ICICI Bank, overall the market was flat. We had a sell call on the previous day, that is at 650. The market came down, and it is still ranging in between. Axis Bank, the market fell. From yesterday, we are on the sell side from 745. Exit was at 729, and another buy call is given at 730. So stay on the buy side till tomorrow. SBI, overall the market is flat even today. We are on the sell side from 416. The market is trading on the same range. Until expiry, we can expect the market to stay in the same level, if there is any further news or anything as such. Bank Nifty, there is nothing much to say. Still, it has not been getting into the extreme levels. It is trading between the bands, mean reversion band from 5,700 to on the lower side, that is somewhere at 5,500. So it is still in the middle only. So there is no new trade which can be taken. Tata Motors, today automotive sector was fundamentally very strong. So it gave a buy call somewhere at 315. But we are already in the buy since 308, and the market is bullish, and it is turning flat. Maruti, overall the market was bearish from yesterday, that is from 6,958, and continuously the market is on the bearish side. Today no new call was initiated. The market is flat. Dr. Reddy, overall still the market is on the bullish side. It is ranging because of the monthly expiry contracts and other things. But overall, the market is on the bullish side. Bharti Airtel, actually, technically speaking, as per the daily graph, we had to have a bullish reversal, but market is running flat. Main reason is for the monthly expiry. So the market may remain at the same level, but as soon as the next month starts, we can expect a huge momentum in Bharti Airtel, and it can go up. JSW Steel, there was a buy call since yesterday, that is from 677, and the market went up. There was also a gap up, and market was continuously shooting up, and then it became flat. Adani Ports, overall we are on the bearish side. Sell call was at 778, and market is continuously on the downside. Ambuja Cement, since yesterday we are on the sell side, that is from 327, and market is coming down. Still, exit is not been triggered. Sun Pharma, market was totally flat. From 20th May, we are on the buy side from 689. Wipro, today a resistance breakout happened, and a buy call was given at 517. Market did not give any sell call here. It gave a sell call somewhere here at 523. So 523, another new entry of sell can be taken, and market is coming down. So overall, on both the trades, we are in profit. Asian Paints, it was a very good trade today, almost 3% gain. It gave a buy call at 2,853 at the resistance breakout level, and continuously the market went up to 2,922. So overall, we can expect Asian Paints to go further up on the coming days as well. ITC, totally the market is flat, nothing much to say. Tata Steel, yesterday there was a buy call at 1093, market is given near the mean reversion band, and today it was bullish, and it gave it is ranging in between. UPL, once again, it came at the resistance zone, and it gave a sell call at 799 or 800, and this is a kind of double top. So now we can expect UPL to go bearish in upcoming days, maybe up to 783 or even further down until the date of expiry. And if technically UPL is really good, we can take a buy call or take the stop loss of UPL of the sell at 806.30, and we can go for a buy call. Reliance, there was a bearish momentum today. The market is running flat. NMDC also, we had a buy call since yesterday, that is from 173. Market was continuously on the bullish side. There was a gap up as well, gap down today, and market gradually went up. Nothing happened, just 2 to 3 weeks on the bearish side. BHEL, the market went up and it is ranging in between only. Overall, BHEL, we are on the bearish side. The market is taking a correction. All the IT sector is on the bullish side. L&T also gave 1 or 2 bricks on the bullish side, and it is remaining on the flat. We introduced one more stock, which was BEL. So BEL, since a long time the market was flat, it was moving on the bearish side, and I believe today was a very good day for BEL. 1 minute, let me draw the period separator. Overall, the market gave you a sell call, and overall the market was on the bearish side today. So if you experience, the sell call had triggered from 156, the market came down, stop loss hit, and it is on the reversal. So, and if you also see the moving average reversal, the slope also had taken a 60-degree breakout from this angle, and you can take a sell call even at 153. We can expect BEL to go further down as well. Let us see how BEL is going to behave from tomorrow onwards. So guys, this is for today. Prepare for the expiry. Expiry is almost coming near. We can expect a good momentum market on tomorrow's this one day. And if anybody wants to analyze any stocks with respect to futures and options, definitely you can let me know in the comment section. And what do you think about the analysis, whether all the calls which are giving most of the calls are triggering the targets and take profits? So just let me know if I have to, if I will be able to communicate to you in a better manner. All the best, happy trading. If you like the video, kindly share it with all your friends and relatives who are interested in stock markets.